Republic
Okay.
of South Korea.
Yes, yes, yes.
So the news is yet to be spread out. It was only
If I may suggest, I think it would be a wonderful opportunity for you to meet, because you see all the embassies here have regional groups. So we have a group called the GRULAC, which is Group of Latin American and Caribbean Embassies High Commissions. And that's those 20 I'm telling you of.
And
that
who's the
include-
dean for that?
There's a dean
Ah.
and there's a coordinator.
College.
And the coordinator right now is the ambassador of Ecuador. We have a very strong tea also,
Okay.
but we have a soft
Is it
tea.
a Spanish accent?
Yes, yes it is. Yeah, the name is European, it's French, but the accent is Spanish. Yeah, we speak Spanish there.
Hello listeners, we are very fortunate to have with us here His Excellency George de la Roche, the Ambassador of the Embassy of Guatemala. It's a fascinating country in South America, and we are very, very fortunate to have him here as our guest. Your Excellency, you have just recently taken charge of the Guatemala Embassy in India. So how do you look at this challenge?
Thank you very much for inviting us here today. My Minister Councillor, Mr. Marcucci, and I are delighted to be here with you today. Thank you very much for this very kind invitation. If I may, first I will clarify that Guatemala is in Central America, not South America. We're the northern part of Central America, where we serve as a bridge between North America and South America.
Wonderful.
We opened our embassy here 3 years ago. Mr. Marcucci here did so in 2013, and he took charge of all the logistical aspects of opening Guatemala's first embassy in India. We are one of the newest embassies in India, and in the same way, one of your newest embassies in the world is in my country, in Guatemala City. I have been here for 2 years, very much enjoying your country, all of India, all India, your different cultures, your food, your destinations. We have been here promoting investment in our country, business in our country, and of course executing cultural diplomacy. So we're delighted to be here, and thank you for inviting us.
Your Excellency, we have heard a lot about, ancient culture of Mayan being in your country, and a lot of films, have been shot, Star Wars. Could you please elaborate on that?
We have indeed the Mayan civilization, which flourished in Guatemala. In fact, we had last year a photo exhibition of the pyramids, the temples, the cities that the Mayans had built in Guatemala. Their pre-classical history takes us to southern Mexico. Their classical period was in Guatemala, and their post-classical also. And indeed, they had flourished as an advanced civilization with a very keen concept of time, a calendar, very advanced with their numbers and their astronomy and the gazing of the galaxies. The Mayan civilization left behind beautiful metropolises, cities, which are now used for like by Star Wars, James Bond. These sort of films have been shot in the city of Tikal, and we hope to attract Indian interest to be able to shoot films in Guatemala and film beautiful scenes, varied scenes that can be used. I don't know if Mr. Marcucci has anything to add regarding that.
Would you like to add anything to that?
Jump in whenever you'd like to.
Thank you very much. I'm delighted to be here. Thank you for this invitation. We are there at the disposal of the Indian public whenever they need information about Guatemala, whenever they need information about visas, how to go to Guatemala. Please contact us at the embassy.
We will. ICMI would love to collaborate with your esteemed embassy
Thank you.
for the promotion of the shootings of Indian films, particularly films being made in Bombay to be shot in Guatemala. So when we were talking earlier, you said something very fascinating about your national bird. We would like to have it on record.
Oh, wonderful. The quetzal, yes, the quetzal is indeed our national bird. It's a beautiful green plumed bird. And in the Nahuatl language, which was one of the main Mayan languages, quetzal means flying serpent, because when this bird flies, its long tail feathers, it looks a bit like a serpent, like a flying serpent. And it's, as I was telling you, it also serves as the name of our currency. So, like you have rupees in India, we have quetzales to symbolize our national currency. And it's unfortunately an endangered species now, and we take the utmost care to look after it and preserve it in its natural habitat. It's a beautiful bird. It's a lovely bird. I will send you a picture of this.
Certainly, and through this program, I invite all the listeners to plan a visit to Guatemala, because His Excellency is here, and his minister is here, Consular.
Thank
and
you.
They both, will cooperate in giving the visas to all the listeners who are planning to go to Guatemala. And we will, not only through this radio program, but through various other activities,
Thank you.
we'll
Thank
go
you.
on promoting Guatemala
Thank you.
as a tourist destination
Absolutely.
also. And we look forward to a great amount of work being done between
Cooperation.
ICMEC, cooperation, collaboration, and the 7-point program that we have already sent to your embassy, and you have been so receptive, and your government also has been so receptive. It's really very, very wonderful. Your Excellency, you have been here for 3 years. We would like to hear your experiences of this country, how you are experiencing. I hope you are enjoying the hospitality, because kindly let us know if there is something more to be done. We could add to that, please.
Well, you're very kind. Thank you very much. And indeed, just to finish up on the tourism. Tourism is one of the largest industries in Guatemala, and through the proper procedures for visas that the Minister Councilor, Mr. Marcucci, mentioned, we'd be happy to attract more tourism, Indian tourism, to Guatemala. I have been here 2 years, 2 years exactly. Very much enjoying your country, very much appreciating your hospitality and the warmth of the Indian people. And by that I mean the all Indian people, from Gulmarg to Leh to Bhubaneswar to Diu, Gujarat, Gandhinagar.
You were supposed to, when I met you last, you were leaving for Diu.
I was leaving for Diu. I had a wonderful place.
How was your
Wonderful
you
experience.
enjoyed being in
Wonderful
Diu?
experience. Absolutely, absolutely wonderful experience. We've been also in Pune, in Indore. I'm going next week to Bhubaneswar. We've been in Chennai, in Kochi. I've also been in Sri Lanka. I presented credentials in Colombo in January of this year. So I'm absolutely delighted to be my country's first ambassador, first resident ambassador to India. Also welcoming your authorities and your embassy in my country. I look forward to continuing the work I'm doing, the teamwork I'm doing with Mr. Marcucci on cultural diplomacy, on business promotion, on investment, and of course this new chapter we're opening with you, thanks to you, with cooperation for the film industry, for the entertainment media, and so forth. So very happy about that. Thank you.
No,
Great. Where is the other officer?